Hi guys, for today I'm gonna introducing to you guys the introduction of differentiation. Differentiation in mathematics is a process of finding the derivative or rates of a function. Differentiation is the process of deriving f prime x to fx. F prime x is called the derived function or derivative of fx. Derivation of function can be represented as the rate of change of the function and the gradients of the tangent to the graph of the function. Next, the application differentiation in real life. So, from the biology side, biologists use the differential calculus for determine the exact rates of growth in bacterial culture when different variables is used such as temperature. From the business side, the businessmen use the differentiation to calculate of profit and loss with respect to business using graph. What are the application of differentiation in the question for our examination? There is a 5 things we must to know. Okay, first, rate of change of quantities. Second, increasing and decreasing fx. And third, tangent and normals. Fourth, approximation. And fifth, minimum and maximum.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha. Now I'm going to show you guys problem statement for maximum and minimum problems. These techniques are also useful for solving real-life type problems where values need to be maximized or minimized. The problems usually involve similar steps, so let me show you the step that we can use. So the steps are: Step 1. To draw a diagram, because a diagram can help you to understand the situation. Step 2. Find the function to be differentiated. Sometimes this will be provided and sometimes it has to be worked out from the words of the problems. This may involve a substitution to reduce the function to one variable. And step 3 is to differentiate. Step 4. Put the differentiate function equal to 0 and solve the equation to find the maximum or minimum. Step 5. Verify that the answer is the required turning point by the second derivative test. And the last step is step 6. Substitute solution back into original equation to find the required values and write out the answer in a sentence.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Amira. I'm going to explain to you guys how to solve the maximum and minimum problems. So let's go through the examples. So the question is, Iman has hundreds meters of LED lights to decorate her cottage. She wants to enclose a rectangular cottage walls. Find the maximum possible area she can enclose. So what we need to do is we just follow the step that already mentioned before. So for the first step is draw a sketch. As the question mentioned, she wants to enclose a rectangular cottage walls. So we need to sketch a rectangular shape. And the second step is write down an expression for the area of the cottage walls. So for the area of the rectangular is length times width. For the third step is we need to differentiate the area. And the fourth step is we need to find the maximum or minimum value by put the area that we already differentiate equals to 0 and solve it. For the step 5, we need to carry out the second derivative test. We need to double differentiate of the previous equation. So we already get the answer is negative, which means it is a maximum value. For the last step, we need to substitute into original equation to solve problem and write out the answer in a sentence. So the final answer is the maximum area of the cottage wall is 625 meters square.
Conclusion. At the end of the video, we acknowledge how to use application of differentiation, maximum and minimum values in our daily life. The application of differentiation have a lot of benefits to our life, such as we can find a maximum and minimum values need by using application of differentiation. For this function, represent a straightforward way of maximizing profits in business and economic. Engineer use application of differentiation to manufacture a container. The calculation will determine the amount of the material that need by minimizing the amount or by maximizing it. Hence, be expert in differentiation skill. Give more advantage to people who are loved in numbering and for who want to make a hard job become easier.
So that's all from us. We hope that our video can help you guys to answer the questions about the topic application of differentiations. Thank you for watching.